Hey guys, today we will review the Extreme Adz Pro. And we will also see its perspective of why this product is good and what will be greater side of this product. For every product there are two aspects, one is positive and another one is its negative side. So, let's start to check the features and benefits of this product. So the first sentence is written in the product pages, how you can create professional eye-popping 3D meta-style ads in minutes by simply pointing, click and building. This is great, you will learn making third ads with meta-style. Then, here is a video and in the side, there are publishing steps. Two main taglines. Create for your own business, imagine the 1,000s of clicks these will generate for you, it's amazing. And second one is, create for other people's businesses, can you imagine how easy it will be to sell these to other businesses? It would be a great course for you according to me. One of the best thing makes it really good, that is its price very cheap. Now this is a demo video, and two serious response of its users. And here is before and after of ad, how you will make this. This is a demo. This is what every course should get that really appreciates the maker. And that is customer satisfaction. And this is written, I made my first sale in 36 hours since getting Extreme Adz. And clients are loving it and I am using for my own business, Paul says. Wow, that's great. Over 414% better cost per click and lead cost for extreme style ad. And that is really amazing, the growth rate is appreciable. And lead cost is very low, this is also good. Then, this is astonishing. Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Facebook said that, this is the future. Be first. Sell these to 100,000 businesses screaming to get attention, or use for your own business. I like and appreciate the statement that you are the first to make this business firstly so there is no much competition. And the number given above is huge. There are industries examples that proves this is incredible in all the fields. In sports industry, commerce industry, online coaching and pizza industry as well. In all Facebook ads, Instagram ads and TikTok ads as well. This will make you an expert in all. Oh wow, here is the list all the features they provides. 100 single quotes of backgrounds to choose from, seasonal campaigns, ad emojis, full text editor, 100,000 single quotes stock images, and etc. This is a big course it will gonna, I think, Halloween, and Black Friday as well, they made it third absolutely. So, this is the all about Extreme Adz. And product is 100% genuine and legit and helpful to boost your earning growth. And in order to buy the product you can scroll down and down most and there are two packages available, whichever you are affordable and want you can purchase. In order to buy the product you can scroll down and down most and there are two packages available, whichever you are affordable and want you can purchase. And one important thing to share with you, if you purchase from the link in the description box, I am going to provide not one but two bonuses. And once you have purchased the product, you can contact me on my Instagram ID given also in the description box, and then I will provide you the bonuses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.